Hey guys, my name is Enes. Today I'm going to talk about my biggest project, Saitama Techno Cloud. Saitama Techno Cloud is a cloud service that you can rent Linux computers, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. You need to sign up. First of all, you need to sign up with your own email, username, password, Wi-Fi password, and it's that simple. After that, login page, I have my own account, so I'm going to use it. Saitama1, password, that's it. Saitama Techno Cloud, username, and Dogecoin wallet. All payments are in Dogecoin. So we use Dogecoin. This is my wallet. This is my wallet on my cloud. If I send money to this wallet, I need to use this wallet address. So money, pending money, username Saitama. Yeah, we have zero money. If you need to withdraw your money, you can use this send storage part. You can also see how we, let's see, 100 Doge wallet address, one of them, let's see, and calculate fee. But you need to have money in your account. Never mind, let's see how you can create a computer. This is this computer table. Right now I don't have any computer, so I need to rent it. Rent a computer. If you have money and you wanna rent, you can use this page. Computer name, root password, verify root password, and you need to choose a disk size. After choosing a disk size, you can calculate the transaction fee. Let's see, it's written here 0.06, and then let's see, yeah, you can pay. After that you can pay, but we don't have money. We have a key. I have a key. I'm going to click it. I have a key button, and rent a computer. If you have a key, it's free for a month. So we have a key and we are going to use it. The key Saitama Techno 5. It's written here. And computer name, let's say Janus Kun. Let's say root password, let's say 123 but you need to put it powerful. This is just a test, so I'm going to say 123. Let's submit. Computer successfully created. Please check PC table. Let's go to PC table, computer table. We can see our Janus Kun, SSH port, and available ports, and also disk size. Right now it has 900 bytes, and payment 6 Doge per month, but we have access to it for 1 month. So let's use it. How we can use it? You can use SSH root at this IP and port this one, SSH port. But if you wanna use a kitty or putty, let's see, kitty, you can write this IP, or you can also write the domain name, Saitama Techno.com. Port, my port is, what is it? This one, SSH port, and enter. Connect once, and root, login as root, password 123, enter, and we are in. Let's clear. This is our Linux computer, and we have published 9 available ports. We can use them, and also Python is pre-installed. Let's see, Python 3 and print, let's say, basic comment, hello world. As you see, it's printed. Let's exit. So where are we? We are in root directory. apt also is installed. Apt version, you can see it. It's installed. Nano also installed. So what we are going to do is go to this GitHub repository. It's my own repository. It's a flask app, basic flask app. So I'm going to use it. Git clone and Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, or right click here, as you see, enter. And it's cloned as is. Flask 1 is here. Change directory, flask 1 and ls nano flask.py. Hello, let's say Saitama Techno cloud. And ports, we can use these 9 ports. I'm going to use the first one. You can use whatever you want. So let's delete this one and paste first port and Control S, Control X. So Python 3 flask.py. Enter. As you see, we deployed our own server website. So we can use this IP to access it. No, we cannot use this IP, but we can use the public one. The public one, it is this one. Control V and colon and port number. We are going to use port number 48132. 48132. Enter. As you see, hello Saitama Techno is here. Or you can just write Saitama Techno.com colon and 48132. Enter. It's also here. Hello Saitama Techno Cloud. As you see, we deployed our servers. My IP also here. If you want to close the SSH terminal, it will close also the server. So if you don't want to close website, if you want to close only the SSH terminal, you can do this one. Ctrl+C, BG, enter, and disown, enter, and that's it. We can now exit. As you see, we closed the SSH terminal and it's still here. Also, it's still here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you will try it. You will create your own accounts and try it. And see you later.